everyone, welcome back to our channel TK Infopedia. So today in this video we are going to look into the Apple's new headquarters in California, for which the architect is Norman Foster from the architecture firm Foster and Partners. Before getting into the more details, please do subscribe to our channel TK Infopedia. This looks like a giant spaceship, isn't it? But it is tech giant Apple's new headquarters in California. This stunning architecture sprouts 176 acres of land and might be the most stunning campuses in the world. Despite its incredibly futuristic looks, the Apple Park has been a long time in making, with the Steve Jobs first announcing the project way back in 2006. It took 8 long years of planning, but by 2014 construction was well underway, and by 2017 the vast Apple workforce was already started to move in. The massive ring-shaped building is now the iconic symbol of Apple brand, and it is a fantastic testimony to the company's dedication, sustainability, and the future of the technology. With great amenities and facilities available in the Apple Park, many of us must have been wondering how much would it cost to build the whole Apple Park. It reportedly cost $5 billion, which is approximately 36,000 crores in Indian rupees to build, which is about $1,785 per square foot and $12.40 per square inch. The total cost also includes the cost to acquire the property, landscape facilities, plus other charges too. To encourage the workers maintain a healthy lifestyle, the ground features 3.2 kilometers worth of various walking and running trails, as well as 1,000 bikes could be used to communicate between the buildings. Other lifestyle facilities included gym, wellness center, and a couple of basketball courts. There is also a huge yoga studio. The campus does look after their staff and the environment too. All of the buildings are incredibly eco-friendly. The main ring construction being the one of the world's largest rooftop solar covers. The solar cover roof generates up to 17 megawatts of power, which is enough to make 75% of the campus's energy. Rest of the campus needs some air by on-site fuel cells powered by biofuel or nitro gas. The main building also utilizes a natural ventilation system, meaning that it does not use traditional heating and cooling methods for 9 months of the year. It has about 1.2 million square feet of office space and enough space to accommodate about 12,000 members of the staff. To bring the outside world in, the designers have incorporated a lot of glass into the building. The construction even features largest curved glass plates in the world. The low energy LEDs and the sunlight make the spaceship a stunningly bright place to be, which is great to keep the 12,000 staff members to feel energized during working days. Huge stainless steel plates which allows the building to shift up to 4 feet with any given direction without causing any structural damage. Also to be found underground is the expensive parking area and road network that completely hidden from inside. Putting these amenities underground was absolutely incredible to maximize the green space in and around the Apple Park. Other features to be found around the campus includes 7 cafes with the largest benches spread across 3 levels, having enough seating for 3,000 people. The huge catering seats have enough capacity to feed around 15,000 people every lunchtime. Also, within the park's grounds, there is an inspiring Apple auditorium, formerly known as Steve Jobs Data. The spectacular circular glass building nearest to spaceship in its form and is topped with world's largest carbon fiber roof. It includes 42 feet high glass elevator that takes the guests underground, having about 1,000-seater auditorium. The elevator is also considered to be the tallest freestanding glass elevator in the world. Other buildings around the park included 100,000 square feet fitness center, 2,300 square feet in development facilities, a care clinic, and a visitor center, which happens to be the only building in the entire park where the guests can visit without the pass. The whole Apple's visitor center is under one roof, but it is divided into 4 special sections. a 10,000 square feet Apple store filled with latest Apple products, a 2,000 square feet cafe and observation deck where you can look out the campus with a designated AR experience area. The Apple Park is so full of amazing features and amenities. Apple has got everything from their environmental footprint to keeping their workforce full up with food, leisure, and creativity. There have been a few complaints about the open plan of office, with some employees saying that they are distracted. But still, the futuristic facility has been incredibly well received and set a new world standard of how amazing a work environment can truly be. This is all about the Apple's headquarters in California. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to our channel TK Infopedia. Also, please like and share the video. Thank you.